Okay, so this has just arrived. Let's have a little look at unboxing this. This is for the KTM 1290 Super Adventure Touring. I like the slogan, the Leo Vince: ride, dominate, roar. Right, let's have a little look inside it then. So it looks well packaged with protection, foam in there, lots of foam, a bit more bubble wrap. All looks put together well. Let's take it out. There you go. There it is. Looks good. It's decent quality. Nice pipe. Carbon fibre tip. Removable baffle. That's not stuck on that, so I don't know what that is, but it's not etched in. Looks nice. Really nice quality. Nice welds. Yeah, I like that. What else we got in here? All packed with some stickers and other bits and pieces. What's in the bottom? More foam. What's in the bottom? More stickers. What's this? Register your product. Okay. Register your product for your warranty. What else have we got? More bubble wrap. Ooh. Nice carbon fibre heat shield. And nuts, bolts, washers. And the exhaust hanger. That's even carbon fibre. I mean, for the price I paid for this, which I think was 315 British pounds. I mean, you can't beat that. Real carbon fibre heat guard, carbon fibre tip. Okay, the exhaust is steel with titanium effect, or brushed to make it look like titanium, so it's not as light as it could be. But for that money, compared to an Acro, I think a titanium Acropovic is about £800 new, I think. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed with that. Let's go and get it on the bike. So here's the bike with the stand exhaust on. Start it up. Have a listen. Right, that's that exhaust off. Took about 2 minutes. Quick start up with it off. Quick, because it's not loud. Yeah, that's really loud. Okay, so exhaust is installed. It took me no time at all, probably 5 minutes to take the old exhaust off, maybe 10 minutes to put the new one on. Yeah, Really pleased with it. Looks good. Looks good. I think it suits the bike. See what it sounds like. This is with the baffle in. Okay, so we've taken the baffle out. Let's see what it sounds like with the baffle out.